So I'm gonna wait for all of you guys to join in and then I'm gonna start. Hi guys, so I'm in Delhi. I'm here to launch something very special. As you guys have seen, the last few days I've been speaking about No Ordinary Beauty, and I'm ready to introduce you to the No Ordinary Beauty that I have been speaking of, the Honor 9N. So I received the phone a few days ago and I've been using it for the last few days, and I realized it is one of the most user-friendly phones that I've ever used. As I unboxed the package, which you guys will see soon, I realized that, oh my god, it's just so beautiful, and they have it in amazing colors. The one that I love the most is the lavender purple, and then they have a robin egg blue, they have a black, etc., but my favorite's the purple. And you know what, let me actually unbox it for you, and then we can speak of all the amazing features the phone has. Are you guys ready? This is what the box looks like. This is the phone. This is what it looks like. I'm going to take it out of the box. Look at this purple. Look at the lavender. I don't know if you guys, yes, you can see it clearly. It is just beautiful. I mean, I love it. It's just so pretty. And this is what the front looks like. So you can switch it on and off from the side button here. But anyways, obviously the first thing I did after I used the phone was I checked the camera, and I feel by far this phone has the best selfie camera that I have seen. The front camera is about 16 megapixel. The back camera is also very good, and as you can see, it's got glass behind. It obviously is very beautiful to look at, but it also has like a very cool feature where you can where it can give you a mirror effect, so your pictures are always bomb.com. Another very cool thing is that it has a notch screen. So the display is from top to bottom. It is massive. It is very clear. It is very big. The aspect ratio is 19:9, which is great. I'm trying to be a great techie person over here, so just go with the flow. And but yeah, so the campaign is about celebrating extraordinary beauty. It is about breaking boundaries, breaking stereotypes. It is about accepting a new definition of what beautiful is, and I think I sort of resonate with everything the brand and the phone stands for. That's why I'm here doing this with you guys. So I highly recommend you guys to go try this phone because I love it. It's so pretty. Okay, bye.